for everyone that want to buy. This is a Samsung Tab. You know, there's also a Samsung Note that look exactly like this. It's called Samsung Note 10.1. And most of Samsung, can I say, virtually the recent Samsung products, especially on devices as this, they are Android version. Android is an operating system coordinated by Google. So most of the time it's by Google Play, and especially for this device in my phone, the operating system there, the Android operating system there is 3.1, and most of them can be upgraded to the recent operating system of Android. And we have a Note, Samsung Note, which also has Android version. You can actually upgrade it to. Most of them has the gingerbread, especially with this S2. That's the gingerbread on it, which can be upgraded to sandwich ice cream, and that's also a version that can be upgraded to sandwich ice cream. And no, most of them are data-enabled devices. For Samsung, we have two devices. Some of them has no SIM, which are wireless devices, while some have SIM. The one that has SIM is basically what that work perfectly in Nigeria. Thank God for the presence of MiFi and most of the environment that has a wireless connection. But with the presence of MiFi, you could connect your SIM-less devices with the MiFi to be able to actually make your data go to internet. Yes. Another means is if you have a device like this and you have a system and you have a phone like most of BlackBerry that has any phone with an hotspot, you can easily use it as a router to be able to browse on your device. And those are the things. Then activating internet is not a problem. I think is the best thing that ever happened to me in this shop since I've started. But this shop is actually meant for data activation, sales of data, like MTN product services, sales of data, activation of internet, data internet things like activation of and introductions of MTN data plan. And those are the things we actually do in this shop. And to activate the internet, there are two ways. You either use an app-on or a system through CRM. Now you go through CRM, it's very simple. You go to the customer's details and you activate the amount that you want to activate after you have spent the such amount into it. But if you want to use an hands-on, like on Samsung, that is on Samsung tablets, most of them are used to make call. You can easily go there, load the money as if you are loading on a mobile phone, then type the code. Like for 250 megabytes, you can say *109#, and immediately it pop up and you start connecting. Then sometimes if the device did not see the settings automatically, you can actually go to the settings, the internet setup. You go to the settings, from the settings to mobile network, from mobile network, wireless and network, from wireless and network you go to mobile network, from mobile network you can actually go to the APN. You set up your APN for the device. Well, I'm an MTN person, but for MTN we have the APN is web.cbr.net. But that of Etisalat is simplest. That is APN is just Etisalat, a small letters. Then you set it up and immediately the device catch up. I've been doing this for my schools, right from my part 3, and best thing for me. I think that's it. Now I want to talk about Apple devices. We don't have an example in this shop. Apple devices will have the likes of iPhones, because iPhone is a major thing that everybody wants to use in Nigeria. Talk about iPhones. We have iPhone 3, 3G, iPhone 4, 4G, 4S, 4G, 4S, and we have iPhone 5, iPhone 5S, internet, and all those phones are devices with iOS operating system. Okay. Now, most of these devices are devices that are actually are very good internet. But something about all these, except the iPhone, people activate all these things on iPhone. But when you talk about what do you call it? The tab. What is the name of that tab? Android.